And
for most of life.
that the payment has been, original amount has been,
A statement has been given that the payment of
that has been
Now
completed.
the state, the collector has filed an affidavit.
अरे हो गया ना,
A photocopy of the check also.
He admits, then what is it?
Check also.
आपने कह दिया उन्होंने।
Okay.
I'm great.
There is no झगड़ा now.
Not at all. Grateful.
ये लिख दीजिए।
Notes,
Petitioner says that the amount has already been received. We seek to withdraw the certificate.
Is it the same when we had dealt in one
yes,
booklet?
now nothing survives. I'll just point out item 60. No, wait, MA 566 of 24. This has become infructuous.
क्या है ये? Answer is correct. What is better?
That's all, my lord. Initially, my lord, there were some group of matters. My lords directed all matters to be disposed of. So all matters are disposed of.
अच्छा, this is regarding the scheme.
No, that.
No. This is, my lord, appointment of Lekpal. Where one
Wait. Which answer is correct? This.
correct. Yes, correct.
So the answer should be none of them.
Well, my lord, yes, my lord.
I looked at it, right?
No, that's not correct.
Maybe.
So that not correct is not correct.
None of the above is not correct.
My lord, that question, Ujjala, that is over. Now, my lord, that we are not concerned with that. Lord, the second matter is filed by the successful candidate, that is 60.1, for vacating the interim order because they are not getting the appointment. Some of them have even resigned from their jobs because they were selected here, etc. My lord. And there also, my lord, the question is, my lord, if your lordships comes to 60.2, what is under challenge? 60.2. I'll just give an by way of an example, which is SLP 8015.
Mr. Narwar, you are there for.
I am appearing in 60.
I am appearing on 60.2.
So you come.
Yes, my lord.
You are aggrieved.
Yes, my lord. I am the petitioner.
You are for the state and you are for the respondent.
I am for Manoj.
Who are the successful ones?
Yes,
Successful.
we have been issued letters.
And you have prejudice because of the stay.
Yeah, pursuant to your lordship's order, we have, as
Yes.
the Solicitor General mentioned, we've given up. We've all acted on the basis of the orders which came to be passed. We are in harness. Some of us have received salaries, etc.
And then you left your job, you resigned your job, you came
Yes,
here.
my lord, we have equalized wherever there was a
Fortunate segment that got appointment.
You resigned from the other.
Job, and then that order, my lord, said that High Court to decide. Today, High Court has decided, everything is concluded. So we neither have the job here, and here we have been given appointment letters and we are not being paid salary.
We have been allocated districts, but we just can't join because of that order.
My lord.
Then let us hear him.
Yes,
Yes.
what is-
only one aspect may be there borne in
नहीं,
mind.
problem तो इनकी है,
No,
2
but
minutes.
the one aspect may be borne in mind. One of the matters where there was a confusion. But we have said that we will give one additional mark to every.
Oh,
So it's equalizing. That's fair.
What has
It is not under challenge.
It's not under challenge.
My lord, what has happened, my lord, this is a Lekpal exam. Exams were conducted. Then a provisional answer sheet was given where we were awarded the right mark. We were awarded marks for the option.
Council, before that, one foundational fact we'd like to use was it. Did you file this petition after 21?
Yes, my lord, on there. Yes, my lord, where there were. What has happened?
Is it yes or no?
No, my lord. I in my
What?
in that
Hey, is it no or yes?
Yes.
my lord, what has happened?
अरे
is-
fact तो बताओ.
That is what I'm trying to tell, my lord.
No, I put a very pertinent and relevant and direct question. Whether your
Issue-
petition before the High Court.
I had
was
not filed. Some other people have filed, my lords. Order was.
We are asking you, did you file before 21/11/2023 or not? Yes or no? Then we come to the second point.
No, my lords, I have not filed that, but some other people have filed it.
So some other people, let some other advocate assist us.
No, but they
Your
are not
client
here.
has not, then you better not
No,
go to
they
that.
are-
Finish,
they-
because we had given and we had reiterated
order
that.
was never-
I know because it was my order, it again came before
No,
this.
well, that is why, let me explain.
We will not give you no explanation if it was right or
Issue
wrong.
was there, my lord, issue was there before the High Court. High Court single judge has decided the issue against the.
If somebody has decided
have filed-
that
we
council
have
will
filed-
come, that petitioner would come, not you.
My-
If
they
you
have-
are not before the High Court by
Kindly
21/11,
appreciate, my
you
lord.
are out.
My lords, kindly appreciate the reason I am here because I am only out of merit list by 1.25 marks. This entire examination contains 0.25 negative marks. And when this.
You may succeed on their shoulder, it is a later thing, but
No,
we
my
will
lord.
not permit you to intervene.
My
and
lord, I am the
assist us.
petitioner before the High Court.
We cannot enlarge.
I'm the petitioner.
After 2111,
My lord, no, after the notification, my lord, what has
is
happened?
it after 2111?
Yes,
We don't go beat about the bush. Is it after 2111, 23 or not?
Yes, my lord, my
Yes, sir.
intra-court appeal is thereafter.
Now, who's in,
Lord, it's the intra-court appeal, my lord. My lord was trying to tell your lordship, my appeal was already there.
Your original it was already there.
My lord,
Prior to that.
that's right, Lord, there was an original writ. That's the
That
problem.
is simple.
That's the problem.
When did you approach? We said, we did not say when did you appeal before the division bench.
Lord,
that obviously
may I-
post that date.
may I, my lord, only tell your lordship this, my lord? Because of, my lord, kindly see the piquant situation.
Council,
Look,
every situation is that we can't let this thing keep hanging.
But because of your lordship's order, my lord, kindly see, but for your lordship's order. Vacation, your lordships have been very kindly, my lord, sitting with my lord Justice Hima Kohli, your lordships had kindly, my lord, issued notice in 60.2.
No, Mr. Just
That is
tell us what is the point.
My lord is asking, still the point.
The simple point, my lord, thanks to your lordship's order.
Oh, forget that. What is the point? What is thanks name? What is the merit in your case?
The merit is, my lord, all the questions, my lord, literally have wrong answers. No, I say all, my lord, several, my lord, questions have wrong answers. Now, what has happened?
For the height
Originally, my lord,
of one question.
my lord, if it doesn't mind. If the learned solicitor general doesn't mind, no, it's not one. I have at least 5 questions here which I can show you.
So you are in which SLP?
In my case, there is a separate question. In other cases, there are separate questions.
Which SLP you are in?
Each question, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Each question, my lord, has a negative connotation, a negative mark of 2.5, 0.25, and a positive of 1. So, my lord, before my lord's order, my lord said a particular question, 2 questions, reject them. Therefore, what happened? I had 1.25, my lord, the difference therefore, because if somebody else, I was earlier in the merit list. Now, because of my thanks to my lord's order, my lord, somebody else jumped over me because his question, my lord, your lordship said, will get both the 0.25 will be deducted. So therefore, my lord, he comes that much closer and 1 mark will be added. Now, because of that, I go out of the, without being heard, I go out of the merit list. I have the same problem, my lord. One of my questions, which admittedly is a wrong answer.
One of the, yes, that's.
Admittedly is a wrong answer.
SLP you are appearing in. For my knowledge, because I must.
8015. 60.2, sir. 60.2. Your lordship has said your lordship will hear us.
Yes, let them satisfy lordships on merits that the answer is wrong.
Lordship may have it on an NMD, my lord.
No,
see, their counter was to come within 10 days, that is the 10th of May.
No,
The counter has now come on.
I think it is a very fair suggestion that go directly to the crux of the matter.
You are
Read
in
about the,
60.2.
if he
That's
is,
right.
Yes,
if
point 2.
In
he is
60.2.
prepared on.
Show us the
that
page
basis.
where there are questions and answers.
Yes.
Yes.
Go directly, why beat about
Right.
the bush?
जिसकी hard copy दे दो.
Lord, would your lordship just kindly see?
That is more, my lord.
Actually, you should also not be asking questions for which there are no ready answers.
That's
No, my lord, there are answers. My lord, we have filed our reply and we will satisfy. There are certain tricky questions, my lord, only a person.
No,
Where the father loves the child more than the mother, correct, incorrect, all kinds of
No,
questions.
it's very clear. My lord, I'll show.
no, we are looking at brief 3 points.
60.2 चाहिए.
Anupam Shukla,
That's right. That's right.
आप पेज बताओ पेज.
32.
Would your lordship just go to page J, my lord? J, in my synopsis, just kindly go to page J straight away. Your lordship will get it. Page number J, J for Jack. In SLP number 8015,
Yes.
Kindly see the question, Milord. The question is, which is the longest national highway that passes through Uttar Pradesh? Against the above question, following were the options: NH4, NH8, NH2, none of the above. Milord, we chose number C, which was NH2.
Before you chose, which is the correct answer?
Now, kindly see this. That is the correct answer.
Which
None of the above.
Which?
My lord, my reply page 3. I have given, my lord, each.
Yeah, then.
My reply page 3
Page 3 of this paper book.
of my reply.
Now,
I filed a reply counter
no,
affidavit on this.
the options are E, F, G, H. Where is A, B, C, D?
No, Milord. At A, your also will find
The options are given E, F, G, H.
There are 4 answers given. The petitioners have chosen option number C.
Well, your lordship will come to page 3 of my reply.
This should be ABCD.
My reply, my lord.
This is obviously a mistake.
Which is the answer? Which is you saying?
The correct answer is, number 3. This G, this
C.
E, F, G, H is wrong. I'm sorry, It should have been.
Lord, your lordships may see page 32.
No, where is
The question at page 32.
No, we don't get a reply. Is it by way of IEA? Or
No, it is a counter.
The counter has been filed on the 3rd of July.
On behalf of respondent number?
Commissioner, my lord, it is the name of the lawyer is M.R. Shamshad. My lord,
Oh, yes.
the lordships
Yes,
just to find out.
Yes. Page 3.
Page 3. So paraphrase.
It is NH2.
According to him, yes.
And according to you?
But none of them.
No.
And I'll show, my lord, why.
So
At the outset, it is submitted that present petitioners have come, the lordship will skip, it is submitted that petitioners are seeking 1 mark in their examination on the pretext that correct answer for the longest national highway passing through state of Uttar Pradesh is NH2 is absolutely incorrect and is submitted. My lord, then kindly see the chart, my lord, given below. NH4, the first possible answer, my lord, in the multiple choice, not in the state of Uttar Pradesh, so it can't be, my lord, the answer. NH8, not in the state of Uttar Pradesh, either pre or post 2012. Now, my lord, NH2 was longest, but in 2010, we wanted the students to know that in 2010, NH numbers are changed. Please see, my lord, NH, this national highway was in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Hence, the exam held in 2002, NH2 cannot be related to Uttar Pradesh because now NH2 passes through some northeastern state. Well, that is National Highway 2, page 5. It's Dibrugarh, Assam, and terminates in Tuipang, Mizoram.
Even earlier, NH2 was not the longest in
And earlier also, NH2 was not the longest. Well, please see next, NH2 post 2010.
Why do you ask such questions?
Kindly next, for my satisfaction.
There's a knowledge in this also. NH2 and
Lekpal exam.
Lekpal exam, they have to be. So they have to. Please see next. Please see, NH2 post 2010. NH2 post 2010, which has been renumbered as 19 now.
Already it is not NH2.
So it is none of D.
No,
none of the above.
Even NH2 post 10 is not a correct.
And the
That was saying none of the above.
examination is of
Lekpal,
which year?
2022.
The respondent below, kindly see page K. They give an answer key.
No, what is? Is it factually incorrect what they have?
Yes, kindly see page K. The respondent number 2 published the answer key, K of my petition. Answer key to the examination held on 31/7 with the commission R2 accepts NH2 as the correct answer.
Ourselves, we are asking you, is it factually correct? We did not ask you. If suppose they committed a mistake by showing that C is the correct answer, we are asking you, is factually the stand taken before it is correct or incorrect? NH2 is largest or not largest? If they commit a mistake in their answer,
NHAI in a notification of 2022 says NH2 is the longest.
No, it is for land acquisition.
No.
For land acquisition purposes.
Then are you consider your question to be wrong? Now come to the next. They are the best person to know which
This is
which is the second one.
throws me out.
This you're thrown out. Tell us the second
The other one, my learned friend,
Yes,
is appearing. He's appearing in the other one. And you see.
which one? 60.3.
Look, please have a
That
look
is
at the
Shashank.
Yes.
Please have a look at the question. Your lordships will find the question at page 97.
So 113, I think. Possibly 113, just check.
97.
You are related to which booklet, which answer?
Yes, my lord.
Let A, B, C, D.
And who was conducting this examination? by the way?
Please,
But the commission, subordinate state selection commission. I appear for the
UP.
UP.
Yes. Which question?
Which question, which page is this?
Yes, page 97.
97.
Hey, I think
Better to see the original, 113 is the original, if you don't mind.
97, which page?
97 SLP paper route.
Yes.
90, attempt number 95 at the bottom.
It's a type copy, yes.
Yeah,
Under solar photovoltaic irrigation pump scheme, small and marginal farmers are eligible for how much grant for 1800 watt 2 HP surface?
what is the correct answer?
Correct answer, my lord, is 30. B.
No.
This is 1. My lord,
No, and in the official
Website.
website, what does the
website, my lord, is of
45.
2016 and 17 from their own affidavit I will show.
No. But there the correct answer is shown to be what?
45.
Correct answer they shown was
Page 6 of my reply.
page C,
45.
45.
So,
45 was existing in 16, 17 up to 18. Thereafter, official Milord documents, Milord, which I have produced, I will show that. Please have a look at that. And Milord, they concede this. I will show that.
Well, there was a confusion in this question.
Let me,
We
now-
cancelled
now
and
it's
gave
not-
1 mark
we
each.
thought-
No, we got the point. Now let him reply because now he has to reply.
Lord,
Yes.
In the original was X, in the website it was Y. Finding that, we cancelled this question and gave 1 mark to everyone. So now nobody is prejudiced.
This, no, everybody is prejudiced. I will point out. Each petitioner is prejudiced.
Yes.
This is.
That might not assist your lordship.
Lord, may I just take 2 minutes before my learned friend, Mr. Solicitor?
Why do you
starts?
ask such questions?
But they are supposed to
Lord,
know.
I must
the
point
legal
out
path.
one-
But question in the precise, when there is A, B, C, D, there has to be precise answer to that.
Out of
Something
Lord,
is changing
100 plus
in-
questions, the examples are 1 or 2.
Lord, the interesting
Examiners
thing
are outside the
is-
state.
Interesting
And the
thing is,
question, only a
for
minute,
the learned single
only a
judge,
minute,
their stand was,
only a minute.
their stand was,
Answering-
Lord, this is something, Lord, my learned friend cannot go straight away to his reply. Their stand before the learned single judge was that although those government decisions which we are annexed, it is only under consideration. That is the only basis on which, my lord, the single judge, my lord, dismissed our petition. In
Now
the
it is
High Court, before the
cancelled.
division bench, we produced all documents, official documents showing that they are not right. It is the decision. The High Court calls upon them to file an affidavit. Instead of filing affidavit, my lord, they make a somersault and they take a decision to allot 1 mark to everybody. All, even those who have tried it wrong, even those who have tried.
How many of you are here?
Well, we are 24 or something.
Only all of you.
In total malus, there would be 200 people. Manoj.
But they were not the original writ petitioners in the High Court. Writ petition was filed by
But
somebody
I'm
else.
sorry, Miller, these
Yes.
are all technical
They were
objections.
not, yeah,
Your
not.
stand, the state stand.
there was a date fixed
Single
by
judge
this-
was very
Yes.
specific.
There
That
was a
is not
date
the
fixed
decision,
by
it
this
is just
honorable
in
court.
the
But-
under
All right,
consideration.
we'll have it on 16th. Come on.
Please, Miller.
But on this, I want to say 1 or 2
We
things.
will file a rejoinder meanwhile, Madam.
A lot the difficulty is this one. My difficulty is this. A lot large number of
This
candidates.
difficulty you have created for yourself by setting up these questions.
2 questions out of total, I'll just 100.
My view on this is very clear. On these small matters, court should not be interfering.
Correct.
Ye kya, wo kya, but now they have.
No, they have not. Kindly see page 6 of my reply. I have quoted the High Court's finding. So please see, from my side.
No, but Mr. Mehta,
Only a minute.
No.
Kindly have a look at page 6.
no, probably he has a point that look here, the correct answer is there, then why are you giving one to everybody?
Yes.
Had there been ambiguity, had there.
No, I have explained that. Kindly come to page 6.
been-
Kindly come to page 6 of my reply. It's a
So-
very short reply.
Let us have it next week,
16.
otherwise,
Sola ko sunenge.
The question.
because we will have.
We can't dismiss it like that.
No, those seats can be, the vacancies can be kept vacant, but why should everyone else, thousands of people, hundreds of people, 7,800 people should suffer.
On this question, I want to point out,
But if they can wait for 3 months, they can wait.
but on this,
7,800 people.
How many vacancies are there? How many of you are here?
Look, there are 8,000 vacancies which are sought to be filled in. Today, before your lordship.
How many of you are here?
Yes, yes, I'll point out that, I'll point out that. The writ petitioner, SLP petitioners before your lordship.
I have to make 2 points before.
आप लोग कितने हो यहाँ पे?
Yes, yes, I will point out that.
नहीं, one, that question is out.
अरे 1, 2,
आपका तो खत्म हो गया, आपका तो खत्म हो गया.
My lord, our problem is we have the sanction strength of 30,837 and the presently working strength is 17,000. So my lord, let them come.
More than 12,000 are still.
We are running
No,
into short.
we'll keep those posts, the rest you fill.
Correct.
Yes,
my lord.
yes,
That's all.
that's
my lord. That's all.
I just want to make, just 1 minute. I just want to make 2 points. Kindly give me a chance. This,
Give you a chance on 16th.
no, I just today for even keeping vacant posts. The point is, these people never filed writ petitions. Your lordship made the order in November.
It's in breach of the
No,
law.
not right.
In the interim, we only want them to keep it vacant, will not allow it. It's not that they allow it.
All right, let the rest be filled up. That's all.
Let-
Yes, yes.
Which have been already appointed in January, let them.
Let all those who have been appointed.
Lord, my learned friends are not right. There is no actual appointment. That was Lord pointed out for your lordship.
इतना दिमाग अगर आपने पढ़ने में लगाया होता तो बात हो
I must point out. I talked to some of the petitioners, Lord, their application intensity of application of
Which
mind
is that order?
intensity
Which is
such a.
all right? Which is that order?
That order is no further appointment.
Yes, Lord, that order will not point out.
That order is, my lord,
13th February.
13th February.
13th February 24.
The appointments have taken place in January of 24.
13th February
Yes.
Yes, my lord, it was,
of this court.
Yes, this court's initial order, was
In another case.
November 23.
And Lord, ultimately,
Go
29th
ahead.
of April, Lord, your lordships, Lord, passed an order where Lord, that stay was continued in our favor, specifically in our favor.
fifth.
What is the page number in this page? 60.3?
324, the order is at page 324. 324.
In which petition it was filed? 30th.
Lord, your
My
lordships.
lord, can I, my lord, just for handy, my lord,
Your
let me
lordships
refer.
will have to see 29th April order, that is in this petition.
No, I
Earlier
can
it
give
was
the
in some
for ready
it
reference.
was disposed of.
Kindly see, my lord, the third page.
3.3.
It's in,
It's okay, it's now 324.
No, it's
No, I have given another copy.
29th of April, Lord, is the
What is there in 29? I've got 29.
Para
29th of
5.
April order, your lordships will find, Lord, the order, Lord, at page 4,
What is there in the order?
where your lordships have, Lord,
My lord,
prevent
last,
them from actually issuing the appointment or making the appointment.
last, my lord, last but one
Copy of
page.
the applications, SLP, etc., shall be furnished to the learned counsel appearing for the respondent.
No, it only says copy of the application shall be furnished to learned counsel within 2 weeks.
No,
Say 5 within 10 days with a copy of the
That was-
affidavit, any.
That was corrected, my lord. Then, my lord, stay order was specifically passed.
Next, next, my lord,
There
next.
is a-
Miscellaneous
there is an order
application
which was
5.
later on, sir. Initially it was missing. There was five.
And that was corrected.
All
It was
orders.
Para 4.
No, we'll make a
13th
general
February is the
order.
order, my lord. Why are
We'll make a general order saying that all other orders where there are blanket stay for appointment shall stand modified to this extent.
To the extent.
there is only one order actually.
This-
Lord, your lordships may see this. Lord, I'm just marking.